Okay, I'm making coffee chiffon cake. I'm craving, so I need 1/2 teaspoon of coffee. It's the only coffee I have, and then I'll mix 1 tablespoon of hot water. That's it. Mix it all together. Okay, and then I'll separate the egg yolk from the egg white. We need 5 eggs. I don't have an egg separator, so we will do it manually. That should be okay. You know how much eggs cost now? Oh my god, it's so expensive. I think it's $5.90 for a dozen. I haven't baked for a long time. And even the, oh shucks, cheapest butter is expensive. Okay, we will try not to put any egg yellow, the yolk in the white egg. Okay, my background is very noisy. My apologies, people, because everybody's in here. I haven't done a video, cooking video for a while. I'm slacking and I don't like all the followers that I'm getting. They just want my fart videos. I don't like that. But thank you. Thank you for following me, but I'm not appreciating the messages that I'm receiving.
Mom,
requesting
what are you
for I'm making a cake, darling.
Well, can you make brownies for me?
Oh, I'll make that soon, okay? I don't think I have enough butter for that, darling. But I'll have a look in the fridge, okay? If I can make it.
What with my Oreo?
I will find the Oreo. You have to just wait for a minute. It's been bugging me to get the Oreo that we bought from the grocery. But he had enough crap food today, and I can't give him any more. All right, we have the coffee with hot water, and then 5 egg yolks. Side, mix it, and then I have 1/4 cup of sugar. I cannot find my ingredients.
Can I help?
And some oil. No, mind your business there, please. And then,
thank you for baking the cake, Mom.
yep, all right. Just 1/4 cup of oil. Just mix it. Let's add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. This is my homemade one. Oopsies, I think that's a teaspoon. It's okay if it's over a teaspoon. It's homemade. It's good. It's made of vodka and vanilla. Okay, that's the vanilla, and then I'll add 1/4 cup of milk. Oops.
And you have sugar.
Yes, darling, I know. It's runny. I need a sifter. I don't know if I have one. Hang on. So I found a sifter without a handle, so that will be fine. That's a cup of cake flour, and then I'll add 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and I can put it there. Now it's hard because there is no hold handle for that. Okay, this is the baking powder. That's a teaspoon of baking powder. Just sift it.
What?
I'm sifting, darling. I'm sifting.
I'll
Don't come here because you will inhale everything. That's a salt. Went all over my nose. That's it. That's done. Then let's stir it all together. Excuse me. I'll just keep mixing this until it's mixed thoroughly. That smells so good. So I'm on the other side of the kitchen because I don't have a PowerPoint there. I need a mixer now. This is 5 egg whites. And then I'll use my hand mixer on high speed until it's fluffy. Slowly add sugar. The last bit. So I used half a cup of white sugar, and this is how it looks like. Usually when it doesn't drop, that's okay. I have to add a teaspoon of vinegar, white vinegar. I usually add corn flour instead of vinegar. I don't know why, but this one calls for vinegar. Maybe that's why my sponge cake is usually a failure, because I don't follow what the instructions is. So just incorporate that one. That should do. Okay, I have to fold this on the cake batter. So the video that I'm following states to fold this a quarter of the cake batter into the into the meringue mixture, and then just fold it. Gently fold it. I think this is gonna fail. We will see. And then I don't know what to do. Now mix the rest of this to the meringue mixture. Okay, we will see what's gonna turn up after I think I failed already. Sponge cake are really delicate. When you overmix it, they fail. They drop in the middle, and I couldn't find my sponge cake pan, so I'm just using an ordinary round pan. I don't know where the bun pan I have. I have one, but I can't locate it at all. So I got the pan here. I just line the bottom just in case it sticks, because I don't have the right pan. So let's see. I feel like it's gonna overflow. But not. I've got 2 chopsticks here. I'm just gonna make sure there's no air bubbles there. And then tap it. That should do. And then I'll put it on the oven. This better turn out chiffon or sponge cake. Oh my god, it looks like rock. Oh no, it's okay actually. Feels good. So the sponge cake is finished, has been baked. I'm just trying to pull it down. It feels soft, but I'm not sure. Hang on, darling. I'm not sure if it's gonna be. Ooh.
Ooh, that sounds good. Okay.
Okay. See, it's bouncy. We will see when it's cooled down. I will slice it and show it to you guys. So this is the cake. Let's see if it's any good.
What, Mom?
I will see if it's soft and spongy. If it's not, I'm gonna try again. You don't give up. It doesn't taste like coffee. It is more coffee. I like it. So did you want to try the cake?
No.
Okay. It is. It is good. I think I burned the top.
Put in this. But I'm full.
Thank you for watching. Pa-try mo to. Bilis! Pwede na. Hindi na matamis na.